Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's tutorial, you will learn how to create remote desktop connection shortcut in Windows 11. In this video, we will see how to create a desktop shortcut to open the remote desktop connection in Windows 11, 10, 8, or 7. The remote desktop connection protocol in Windows provides a graphical interface to the user when he connects his or her computer to another computer over a network connection using the remote desktop connection client software. Go to Taskbar Search. Type Remote Desktop Connection. Click on Open File Location. A new window will open. Look for Remote Desktop Connection option. Right-click on it. Go to Show More Options. Choose Send to Desktop from the list. Go to Taskbar Search. Type Remote Desktop Connection. Click on it to launch it. A new window will open. Click on Show Options. Go to Connection Settings. Click on Save As. A new window will open. Go to Desktop. Click on Save. Close the window. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!